Kakapo, New Zealand. Kakapo is a large flightless nocturnal parrot. Only about 250 individuals left. Threatened by habitat loss and introduced predator. California condor, United States of America. California condor is one of the largest flying birds in North America. Population dropped to just 27 in the 1980s. Intensive breeding saved it, but still under 600 exist today. Yellow-eyed penguin, New Zealand. Yellow-eyed penguin is one of the rarest penguin species, threatened by fishing nets, habitat loss, and disease. Forest owlet, India. Once thought extinct, rediscovered in 1997. Less than 250 mature individuals left due to forest clearing. Philippine eagle, Philippines. One of the world's largest and rarest eagles. Fewer than 400 pairs remain due to deforestation and hunting.